Hi, this is aqueous film coating experiment practical part. First, you have to calculate the quantities of ingredients in the given formula to coat 100 grams of tablets at 10% weight gain. After doing so, prepare your film coating liquid. Start with placing the calculated volume of distilled water in a labeled beaker. Use at least 400 ml beaker. Then add the HPMC, the polymer, the film former. First, you have to mix it using the propellant mixer provided in your lab. Continue to add the measured ingredients one by one. Remember, use the quantities you did calculate. Again, dissolve HPMC in water. Add each of the rest of ingredients slowly with stirring. Then, you may use a homogenizer if provided or if available in your lab. Meanwhile, let one of your group members to measure 100 grams of tablets, placebo tablets. Place these tablets in the rotating pan, coating pan. Start rotating the pan at low speed and use hair dryer to heat the tablet at medium heat. Warm up the tablets. And now set up the atomizer. Just when the pan temperature is higher than your body temperature, increase the pan speed and start spraying. Adjust the spraying to be equal to drying by watching for sticking. Sticking is happen between tablets themselves and tablets and the pan wall. When sticking happens, reduce the feed rate, reduce the spraying, and continue heating. If sticking continues, please stop spraying and continue heating. Do this till no sign of sticking is there and each tablet is moving freely. Then continue until you spray the whole quantity of the coating liquid. Meanwhile, each student should measure separately the dimensions in millimeter of one uncoated tablet, which means each student should measure the thickness and the diameter of one tablet and the weight of 10 uncoated tablets separately. First, use the caliper. You learned about it in Pharmaceutical Technology 1 practical sessions. To measure the thickness, remember to add the value from the main scale to the value from the secondary scale. Here, as you can see, the main scale showed 4.5 millimeter, while the secondary scale measured 0.4 millimeter. Now the diameter. As you can see, the main scale is measuring 9 millimeter and the secondary scale is measuring 0.04 millimeter. Then the diameter is 9.04 millimeter. Having doing so, now start to measure the weight of each tablet of the 10 and record it in milligrams. As you can see, please return back the tablets after measuring them to the main container. Now, back to the tablets. Now, when the whole quantity of the coating liquid is sprayed completely, dry your tablet, assure complete drying, and measure the weight of the dried coated tablets. Again, of the dried, completely dried coated tablets. Record the weight of the tablets and place them in a labeled plastic bags. In a labeled plastic bag. Remember to take a photo of your tablets using your mobile. This photo should be placed in your portfolio when preparing aqueous film coating tablet. Please submit the tablet to your instructor with the results. Special thanks to Mr. Hamid Al-Tahir, the lab technician. Thank you all.